In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your PayPal account is business or personal. This is really helpful if you're not sure which type of account you have, or if you're thinking about upgrading in the future. A personal account is usually for everyday use, like sending money to friends or shopping online, while a business account is better for selling products or services and getting paid by customers. Let's walk through how to quickly confirm what you're using right now. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log in with your usual details, and once you're in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the account summary page. This is the page where you normally see your balance, your recent activity, and shortcuts to send or request money. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon, which is the settings button, sitting near the logout option. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you to your account settings area where PayPal shows key information about your profile. When the settings page opens, pay attention to what appears near the top or center of that page. If your account is personal, you will typically see a message encouraging you to unlock extra features. It may say something along the lines of unlock new features like Express Checkout, and right there you'll see a link that says upgrade to a business account. If you see that upgrade prompt, that's a clear sign you're currently using a personal PayPal account. If you don't immediately see that message, or you just want to double check, you can also look more closely at the information shown in your settings. Take a moment to read what kind of details are listed. If the information is clearly about you as an individual, such as your personal name and personal contact details, then you're on a personal account. On the other hand, a business account will typically show business-related information, like a company or brand name as the primary account name, and sometimes additional business details. So to recap in a simple way, log into your PayPal dashboard, click the gear icon in the top right, and then look for either the upgrade to a business account message or check whether the account information is personal or business-oriented. That's all you need to confirm if your PayPal account